pocket birthday. Bow. Sit your ass down.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to blow you up.
Spend a day with me. Spend a day with me in the sun. It is, how many degrees? It's 87 degrees. Extreme heat warning. And we're about to have fun, y'all. Or not. Or so. Or, I don't know. Let's go. Let's see. I'm going to the beauty supply store. I'm going to the beauty supply. Beauty supply. Well, actually, I'm going into the 99-cent store first. Then I'm going to the beauty supply store. They be having like the incense, y'all. They got cute bad charms. Hold on. She's cutie. She's cutie. And I saw a dolphin.
Pink dolphin.
Pink dolphin. Okay, I went to the 99-cent store. I went to the 99-cent store. They didn't have no belts. I need a little cheap belt, babe. Cheap belt. Very cheap. Oh, they got them on 4K stealing. Look, they got these in here. Why they never have pink? Like, come on, pink? For real? This has pink on it. I guess so. These are cute, these nails. They have like the handmade ones in here now. But when you get nails that have like charms on them, they're so annoying because the charms get stuck in your hair. Look at this brush. It's cute. This is the perfume I be getting when I come to the beauty supply store. Fruity Pebbles. That's Body Wave. Straight.
Oh.
Straight.
It's all together?
Yes, all together.
Yep, I'm gonna pay for this.
Okay, guys, so I'm in Marshall's. Why do I look so washed out? Y'all don't be knowing what be going on with my camera. But I'm in Marshall's. So yesterday I was in here and I saw these. And I thought these were just so cute. Eraser and pencil. And they're only $9.99. But if you go on the website, they're $29 everywhere else. So I was like, oh yeah, this is cute. They've had this bag in here at least like 4 months. Every time I come to this Marshall's, I see that bag. If it ain't pink, I don't want it. So, everything pinker. You know everything twinkle. Just get your little ugly shirt, ma. My mother likes the ugliest. My mother likes this ugly old lady shirt. So if she like it, I love it. You know? Get it. Why not? Get it. So my mom wants me to try on. I told y'all me and my mom wear similar sizes. So she'd be like, if it can fit you, it can fit me. My boobs is bigger than hers. So if it goes across my boobs, then we in there like somewhere. Yep, and it does. It goes past. Yeah. So yeah, I can zip it all the way up. Look, ma.
Okay, so it fit me then.
Yeah. See? She goes, so it'll fit me then. Yeah. That's how we do it. We were in here last night and my mom's looking for this shirt. The thing's so ugly. I can't remember. It's just ugly. So she came and showed me a shirt just to be like, no. Man.
Oh, this is cute. I want this.
Oh, that's real cute. What size is it?
It's a large.
This is cute. And then you just gonna throw it on me. I can barely remember what the top looks like, ma. I can barely remember what the top look like. She's probably pissed off at me. She's hot. She's pissed at me. But nobody told you to listen to me. You kept asking me and I told you my opinion. If looks could kill, I'd be a dead woman. Alright, y'all. I guess we're just gonna walk around aisle to aisle in circles until she finds her shirt. Or not, who knows. But I'm gonna see y'all later. Okay, y'all already know where I'm at. Or if you don't know, I'm at Goodwill, thrifting. I am thrifting. The color today is yellow. That's the color. That's the color of the day. Let me look at the jeans. Let me put y'all up here.
With disabilities, including individuals with mental illness. And thanks to your donation, we help.
Y'all look, they have this Von Dutch bag. This Von Dutch bag. I saw it, and then my mom saw it too. She was like, "You think I should get it?" Let's check out, y'all. Okay. I'm at Goodwill number 2. This bag is cute. This is cute for $3.99. This is cute. This is cute. It's a scarf and it's like American flag. America's kind of embarrassment sometimes, but the flag and stuff is cute. Those are cute. This is cute. I thought it was yellow, but it was the tag next to it that was yellow. Y'all look. This is cute. This skirt is so cute. It has like the bow. So cute. It's $5.99. I'm not a big skirt girl. Like, I'm not a big skirt girl. They have so many cute ties. They have ties. I need to learn how to tie a tie. So like when I go to work and stuff. But I like to mix masculine and feminine pieces. As a woman, when you can pull off a man's piece. I don't know about the other way around, y'all. Because thank God I'm a girl. I don't know how to tie a tie. How you tie a tie? Y'all, I would just wrap it around. Like, I don't know how to tie a tie. Huh? I don't know how to tie a tie. This is a black one. This is a black tie. Should I get a tie? I should get this black tie, right? And it's yellow, so it'll be 50% off because the color is yellow. It's $4.99. It'll be $2.50. Oh, my nose itch. It'll be $2.50. This black tie, can't go wrong. Can wash it. Oh yes, let me look at the suit. So, I'm trying on a belt. Can y'all see? I'm trying on this belt. It fit. Oh, this is cute. Now I like belts like this.
Yeah, it's too small. For both of us.
She called me a wide bag.
Look at that. It's too small for both of us. So.
This belt is cute. You just cock it back there. Bow! Sit your ass down. Girl, you be went to jail now. You beat your kids. Don't you beat them children. I ain't even have to say nothing. You see what I'm saying? You just look. Raising a parent is so difficult. Like raising your parent / your child, it's very difficult.
So your total is 23, 25.
All right, we got the goods, y'all. We got the goods. It's hot, y'all, but we got the goods. We got the goods.
Yeah,
time to go.
Cleaners.
I'm at the cleaners. Shirt. And then these are the 2 coats. We're off, y'all, and my camera's about to die. So I'm gonna try to preserve some of my battery. Bye, y'all.